What's going on, everyone? Day 21 of the Daily UI Design Challenge, and the goal for today was to create a home monitoring dashboard. So originally I created a general dashboard for like tracking marketing stuff, and then I reread the design goal and it said for home. So I figured I'd change up a few things, but the overall design is pretty similar to a typical tracking style dashboard, or even if like you look at analytic softwares. So you can see here I have the main stuff, and I actually copied this design. I just typed in dashboard UI kit, and someone had this like pre-built template already. I copied this essentially the frames and the certain like dashboard and stuff, but then I just tweaked like the naming. So I changed this like notifications, the coloring, everything like that. I changed the logo, but overall I just copied this to make it a lot faster to create. And then everything else on the rest on this right side is made from scratch. So ideally, if you did find a kit that had a lot of stuff that you already need, then you'd be good. I know that the email from the dashboard daily UI challenge, they come with one, but it's for Adobe XD. So I mean, I'm using Figma, so I can't really use their templates. But other than that, going through the rest of the design, I got these header blocks right here, essentially just showcasing what the current settings are here. So I have energy usage, water, total bill, and then just temperature. So ideally this would be like if you had a something on in your house, and you could look at the current stats. And then here just energy usage, just a little graph here. And the hardest part was creating this little bluish gradient, because I didn't know how to do it where you can just like drag and drop down. So I had to improvise, and I looked at other designs and I couldn't tell what they did. So basically what I did here was I made a rectangle, and you know when you click off, you double click on a rectangle that has the circles. I would drag and drop like this, and then eventually I would just form it to where it fits underneath the line, and then I just simply cover that. So let me Control Z this to make sure that everything's fit. And then when you put the stroke of the graph above it, you can't tell that this is like a super lopsided like rectangle below it. So you can see there. I also have another one here, so let me click this one. You'll notice like it's super pointy, the like actual behind the scenes part. So let me Control Z or Command Z that back again. Let's go back to, all right, there we go, right? And these are just the circles. And then here just have like a typical graph style layout. Here this is just a typical chart. And then I kind of made like I try to make like sort of like a 3D style effect, but these are just inner shadows with just certain blurs, and then just color on here with the drop shadow too. Just add a little more effects. Obviously I could make it just flat, but I mean, I was just playing around with certain techniques. And then just showcasing like living room, kitchen, bedroom, as far as like the usage, like where the most of the energy is being used in. So living room, obviously white bar here, kitchen blue, then bathrooms orange. And essentially that's pretty much the design. Nothing too crazy, super simple, but ideally this one was a lot more, I'd say, tough to do because I just had to think of ideas. But overall, pretty simple design here, and then just linear purples gradient for the background color. And that's pretty much my design for the Daily UI Design Challenge Day 21 for the home monitoring dashboard. So if this is your first time on my channel, I'm essentially documenting myself doing UX UI design. So if you want to follow on that journey, go down below and subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.